Between survivors of the San Bernardino terror attack and county officials have reached a boiling point tonight.
Well, survivors say the workers' comp department is denying them critical medications and other treatments. And CBS 2's Tom Wade is here to explain. Tom.
Yeah, Pat and Paul, it's pretty disturbing stuff. The bottom line is they say they're just not being treated right. We've heard from 3 survivors who tell us the county is preventing them from getting the care they need. A husband of one of the survivors is going a step further. He wrote a letter to the county's CEO demanding no victim tributes on the anniversary just a few days from now until officials make things right. And this husband also reached out to the governor. A letter to the governor pleading with him to intervene on a bureaucratic nightmare. The husband of one of the San Bernardino massacre survivors sent the letter on behalf of his wife, Hanan Magala, who was shot 4 times. Osama Magala, who goes by Sam, spoke with us by phone.
I feel there's a conflict of interest. Those doctors are hired to reject the claims for the poor injured workers.
During the shooting, Sam says his wife's bones were fractured and nerves were damaged. He tells the governor the surgeon installed a plate with 10 screws to reattach the bone. She still suffers from severe pain. The county of San Bernardino is denying approval of these medications, citing opinion of utilization review doctors.
One time I tried to fill a medication. I was told by the pharmacy, the approving company, saying that the adjuster is not available. She's not going to be available before 2-3 days.
Fellow survivor Julie Paez also told us of similar issues. Shot twice during the attack and now missing part of her pelvis. Paez says she was stranded in the hospital because workers' comp delayed approvals of medications. She's also working with limited physical therapy. Hanan Magala's husband says the bureaucracy is breaking his wife's spirit.
This issue is adding to her anxiety, and she can't sleep at night, and her mood is just bad, of course, and she's always scared that she may not even get her medication, and sometimes she feels helpless.
The county says it has no interest in denying medical treatment to survivors of the massacre. A spokesman says this is not a financial issue. They are not trying to save money. They are simply following what they call a utilization plan they have with the state. The County Board of Supervisors is meeting Monday to discuss survivors' complaints. Pat and Paul, back to you.